Vitamin K, Gorgeous Award, Kayakon, and Happy Helper. Congratulations, dear students, parents, and thank you, grade 1 teachers. Before we continue our awarding, let us hear our ever-supportive SGPTA President, Caroline Saragoy. A round of applause, please. So good morning, everyone, to all the parents and students who are here. Congratulations. Students, karon na gid niyo gi-harvest ang inyong gikugihan. Sa mga parents po, congratulations. Yan, padayon mo sa pagsuporta sa atong mga bata. Kay one, ang parents po, paningkamot o pakita o paningkamot ang bata, mutunod ra po na sila kay matakdan. So much, Ma'am Caroline, for the wonderful message. And now, may I call on the Babanzo John Mark N. Vinus Rose and C. Eager Finger Award, Ambassador Award, Contributor Award, Award, Sparkler Award, Little Teacher Award, Batang Maasahan Award, Perfect Attendance Award with honors. Ibonado Sophia Determined Kid Award, Ambassador Award, Isaac P. Triple Soul Award, Determined Kid Award, Disciplinado Award, Happy Over Award, Disciplinado Award, I'd like to call on our very own active and dynamic school head, Dr. Imelda D. Nayan, for the opening remarks. And let's give her a round of applause.
A pleasant morning, everyone, especially to our teachers, our parents, na atong i-invite, then atong kindergarten teachers, kinahalilig, anak teachers, and our deans again, good morning. Hello, our deans, good morning. Okay, good morning, everyone. As the school principal of Alupan Elementary School, it's my honor to welcome you all to our 2024 recognition ceremony. Today, we're going to celebrate the outstanding achievements, sports, their dedication, hard work, and perseverance have set a shining example for everyone. So, atong mga nayanak ka, dili man tanan yung anak mo nga nasa Alupan na handa awardees. So at least kung sa pag-nurture na ito ang mga bata, maupod ang magpanigawang inyong loob, hindi na ito mag-fair, nilain ang atong mga anak. However, these awardees will be an example, no? Na makita na ito kung unsay mga hiyas sa atong mga bata. So, for all your hard work and dedication to educating our children and help them to become remarkable individuals. Without sa atong teachers, gikan sa kinder, hanggang kay grassroots ang elementary, dako kay pasalamat ng nila kay extra effort nilang gibuhat para kaning mga bata ilang makikan ang potential. Mga ginikanan, ipakpakan na ito ang mga extra. Kabalo mo ang recognition, ang ilang gihatag ninyo, mauna, kabalo ba mo to be honest, ang kailangan na provide only of limited na statistical order number 36 years 2016, only 21 kabong rivals ang atong ihatag per level. However, ang mga teachers tungkol sa ilang mungnaw, nakakita sila sa potential sa mga bata. Dispel jud kay para nila kausaran o mumagi ang mga bata. And they know better than me, kinsa din ang ayan hatagan ng 21. Pero sila support and education. Ato officers and non-officers na tinabangay. PD, sa mga activity school. Pag-aki po na to ang mga officers, si Ma'am 24. Stakeholders, Yuan Ines. And then, hashtag, si Batikan na gusto kayong tingog. Very good.
Wala na dito ang kakabalo sa hashtag nato sa eskwelahan.
Hashtag, Kagayot, Aklupa, ES. Let us continue the motion.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our honorable guest, our stakeholder, Barangay Chairman of Education, Honorable Rodrigo Abatayo Jr.
PNP, Batang Magalang, and Scholar Leader Award. Another big honor. Let's move it. Batang big honor.
And appointment General B. Eager Beaver Award by their body, brave soul, and good sport. Uncle Prince John, cheerful soul, kinder body, happy hunter, and golden heart. Okay, good morning everyone. These are the serving, and last but not the least, and it's Kim. To all of you, congratulations.
With honors, star leader, patience advocate, determined kid, peacekeeper, determined Labajo Princess Kate Rizzo, Eager Beaver Award, Sporter Award, and Enthusiastic Award. Mira Fuentes Lancea, Enthusiastic Award. Wallace Yana Nicole, Kinder Body Award and Golden Heart Award. Olga Mary Award, Kaya Kid Award, Best Award,
With honor. Partner Award, Golden Heart. Tarzan, Javerina Mary Ann.